Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Udita. Welcome, and I do art and lifestyle videos on this channel. So I'm going to do a tutorial on how to write the capital letters of the English alphabet in modern script, and we are going to calligraph them with these art gel brush pens, and also we're going to use this pen. All the art materials that you see in my video are going to be linked in my description box. You can go check them out there, and all the other related videos on calligraphy and art are also linked down in my description box. You can also check those out. So let's get into the video. As always, I recommend all of you that you know your margins properly. That is the baseline, the waistline, the ascending and the descending line. If you don't know about these, I have a basics tutorial on my channel that is linked in my description box. You can go and check that out. The alphabet A that you can see here goes as thin up and thick down, starting from the baseline, touching the ascending line and then back to the baseline. Now, next in the alphabet is the letter B. So I'm using smaller margins. You can do as you like, and just follow me along with thin up and thick down. Before you go anywhere, please make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below if it helped you or you would like something else to see, and subscribe to my channel, share this video as much as possible.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.